Let's check in with Neda now on the forecast.
Yeah, I hope all those drivers who are stuck there at the Toll Plaza have their sunglasses. It's going to be pretty sunny for most of the day today. Check out the view of the bay right now. This camera shot, definitely a different view from yesterday. We had clouds covering it all up. And here's a great view of Berkeley, Lawrence Hall of Science over at UC Berkeley, showing just those thin, high clouds out there, not really dealing with low cloud coverage in most locations, except for right along some of our coastline. San Jose looking nice and clear as well, and temperatures will be warming up nicely there in San Jose. This morning, 51 degrees right now, 48 in Santa Rosa, 54 in San Francisco. A little cooler because of those clear conditions, but the afternoon highs will be a few degrees above average. 71 expected for Oakland, so that's 4 degrees above, and 3 degrees above normal for Concord. Check out the difference. You have the upper 50s right along the coast, all thanks to that coastal cooling, a bit of an onshore breeze still in effect there, but temperatures inland warming into the mid to upper 70s. So from the 50s to the 70s, even across the East Bay, we could reach the 80s. 80 in Pittsburgh, 82 for you in Antioch, 72 in Danville, and 72 in San Ramon. So temperatures a few degrees warmer than yesterday. You'll notice that difference, especially for inland areas. Mid to upper 60s, for a lot of temperatures around the bay. Alameda 69, Sausalito 66, right along the coast also staying in the low 60s for Stinson Beach. Further up north you go, a little bit warmer there as well, in the low 80s for Windsor, St. Helena. Here's the overall picture. We are going to just see some few high clouds coming through the area, but that's all we're going to deal with. There is a low way up north, and that's what's bringing rain down for Canada at the moment. Let's show you what's going on here. For parts of Washington, Oregon, they're seeing some light rain as well, and this system is going to move on down into Idaho and then makes its way to eastern Nevada, Utah. Eventually on Saturday, we could see some showers across the Sierra because of it, but mainly what it's going to do for the Bay Area is send us those dry offshore winds. So right now, let's show you the wind futurecast. We're getting the west winds. It's not too strong, 15-mile-per-hour sustained winds. And then look what happens Friday. We're going to start to see winds coming in from the north-northeast direction, and those tend to lower our humidity levels Friday night into early Saturday morning. Gusts throughout Napa, throughout Fairfield, the East Bay, the North Bay Hills. All locations above 1,000 feet in elevation are under a wind advisory because of what's to come. So here's the wind advisory. Gusts 55-mile-per-hour expected. Down trees, power lines, all possible because of it, and temperatures will rise because of it. Mid to upper 80s expected for inland areas. Calming down for Sunday, partly cloudy skies, and then all next week temperatures will start to slowly get a little cooler. And that's your forecast.